guys, welcome back to our channel Newlook. Today I am going to show another natural home remedy using a Vaseline and vitamin E capsule to whiten your skin naturally. We all know that about Vaseline and vitamin E oil. They both are widely used in daily skin care routine. Both of them are individually good for your skin and offer many benefits, but have you ever tried the combination of these two? Today in this video I am going to share one beauty hack that you can follow with this amazing combination. So let's get started the video. I'm going to use 4 ingredients which are readily available at your home. First one is aloe vera gel, some rose water, vitamin E capsule and Vaseline. In this video I'm going to use a Vaseline body lotion. So with these 4 ingredients I'm going to do a remedy for your skin which brightens naturally, removes the dark circles, pigmentation and all. Take a bowl, add a tablespoon of Vaseline lotion. Here I'm using the lotion because it gives a moisturizing effect for your skin. That's why I'm using this body lotion. Yes. Be careful while taking this vitamin capsule because there are vitamin capsule available for hair too. That is different and this one is different. This is for skin. Open this. And take out the liquid. Now pour a full tablespoon of rose water and half tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix all this so that it gets diluted into the rose water like this. Now taking this into your hands, apply this to your entire face and massage well like this. With the tip of your hands, just massage well like this. Massage in clockwise as well as in anti-clockwise direction so that the serum completely get into your skin like this. I've used this aloe vera gel which is readily available in market. If you have aloe vera plant at your home, you can use those. Just cut that aloe vera stem and break into 2 parts, squeeze out those entire liquid from that. This aloe vera is very safe to apply for the skin, which reduces the pain and inflammation. Aloe vera also safe for burns, frostbite, human virus 1, HP1 infection and cold sores, psoriasis and wound healing in paper. It is very effective for your under dark circles and puffy eyes. Just apply this cream onto your under eye area and leave it overnight. You can use this as an anti-wrinkle treatment overnight. Apply this cream all over your wrinkles and leave it overnight. You can use this as an anti-wrinkle treatment overnight. Apply this cream all over your wrinkles and leave them. Vaseline will hydrate your skin very well and soon wrinkles will disappear. It is very effective for dark spots too and blemishes as this cream is rich in vitamin E. Because we are using vitamin E capsule here. During night you can use this cream as a body lotion for hands and feet. Also this cream on your eyebrows and they will stay in shape. Apply this on your lips as they will never become dry. Also apply these on your cracked heels and cover them with socks. Leave it overnight. Also, this is the best remedy for your stretch marks. See, you can observe this the lotion is completely dried into the skin. After 10 minutes, just wash with water. Yes, that's it guys. Use this remedy regularly for your soft and natural skin. This not only used for your skin brightening, it also used to reduce the dark spots, the pigmentation, acne and dark patches on your skin. It also removes blackness on your neck. Also it helps to cure the dryness of your lips and patchy foot area. Do try this at your home. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel, New Look.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.